What stuff leads down into turn one.
Yeah.
And look at Rossi coming around the outside. And Fabio Quartararo, the world champion. Oh, he's a bit wide on the rumble
Drop the line. What a launch by Jorge Martin. He's your early leader here, switching towards turn 4.
Through turn 4 we go. It's Miller in second. A good start from Mir.
Rossi gained 1 place and in the first sector, 10th to 9th. He's under early pressure here from Johan Zarco. No way through though for the Frenchman early on.
Go just behind him, and Elation Spud row up ahead.
Jorge Martin.
Oh, he's
somebody's
Binder.
out well wide.
Brad
That's Brad
Binder.
Binder. He's got to be careful here where he comes back on 15 from Miller. Juan Mir started 4th. Picks up 1 place on this first lap.
Juan Mir looks really fierce here. In second place, we're on board with the 2020 World Champion, of course, race winner here.
Even through 13 to then get awesome drive out of 40 because he's running the risk of getting swallowed by those factory Ducatis. He nailed it perfectly here. I think he's going to lose 3rd place now.
Yeah, and that helps out Juan Mir a lot, who's got the fastest lap of the race in second place. Here comes Tech top of him, who's going through into turn 2, and Miller now has got all the way back to 5th.
It looks like Miller's having an early problem. 1:7.63. That was one of the top 4 lap times on that previous lap.
Mir's going to have a look here into turn 6, is he? That looked very Quartararo just behind him. I can see Valentino Rossi. Sector, maybe Martin. He just took another 10th out of the number 89 through sector 3.
Fabio Quartararo on that last lap with the 2020 World Champion. There was Gigi Dell'Igna looking on the Ducati Corsa general manager. What a job he's done this year.
But he's just posted his fastest lap of the race.
His buddy, his great mate, Franco Morbidelli. Frankie Morbidelli was the first, and this would be a real fitting way if they came over the line together here in Valencia.
It really, really would. At the front, Jack Miller has taken another 10th out of Jorge Martin. Is there another twist to come? As Bagnaia also now
GP World Championship campaign. 2019, he was on the podium in 2 of the last 3 races. Here last year, he was fighting with Frankie Morbidelli as a typical end of season flourish here from Jack Miller. Is he going to run out of time though to get to any better than 3rd? That's the problem. It's not good start to the season. There was even doubts in his own mind about whether he wanted to carry on racing. It was right here for the last victory of the season in Valencia. It looks like he's running out of steam in terms of top spot on the podium, but it looks like
Martin, is he about to find a way through into turn 1 now? He's very strong on the exit of turn 1. Will he make a move into turn 2? And 4 kilometres left for the Doctor.
Yeah, has he done just over 46,000
Jack Miller, you just know, is having a look somewhere. He said yesterday he's all in. Miller, do it. It's not going to be into turn 8. Not close enough there.
I'm really fascinated to understand what Jack Miller's odds of the chance to afford his teammate Pecco Bagnaia here for the win.
It's not turn 11 either for Jack Miller. He might have to leave it all until the lap on Bagnaia, but it looks like he's got everything under control.
In Portimao after such a strong start to his season, there was even doubts in his own mind about whether he wanted to carry on racing. It was right here for the last victory of the season in Valencia. It looks like he's running out of steam in terms of top spot on the podium, but it looks like
Martin, is he about to find a way through into turn 1 now? He's very strong on the exit of turn 1. Will he make a move into turn 2? And 4 kilometres left for the Doctor.
Yeah, has he done just over 46,000?
Jack Miller, you just know, is having a look somewhere. He said yesterday he's all in. Miller, do it. It's not going to be into turn 8. Not close enough there.
I'm really fascinated to understand what Jack Miller's odds of the chance to afford his teammate Pecco Bagnaia here for the win.
It's not turn 11 either for Jack Miller. He might have to leave it all until the lap on Bagnaia, but it looks like he's got everything under control.
It's going to be a memorable day for Italian motoGP and Italian motorsport. The half next year. Yeah, history made. Martin and Miller.
But here he is.
Valentino, one of the biggest sports stars in the world there. With Steve Mention, we just saw Ronaldo, Max Verstappen, Lewis Hamilton, Formula One giants, of course.